In a small town named Knowledgeville, there lived a curious young student named Timmy. Timmy was known for his insatiable appetite for knowledge and his unyielding spirit of persistence. One sunny afternoon, while tinkering in his workshop, Timmy found an old, mysterious book. Intrigued, he opened it to discover it was filled with riddles and puzzles. "This is fascinating," Timmy exclaimed. He was determined to solve every riddle in the book. However, the first riddle stumped him. What has keys but can't open locks? Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Timmy pondered over the riddle day and night, his mind working tirelessly to find the answer. He sought help from his teachers, friends, and family, but no one could provide a solution. One day, as Timmy was walking home from school, he saw a key hanging from a tree. Suddenly, it clicked. The answer was a piano. It had keys but couldn't open locks. It played beautiful music instead. Timmy rushed home, excitedly shared his discovery with his family, and solved the first riddle. This sparked a fire within him, and he was more determined than ever to solve the remaining riddles. Over time, Timmy solved all the riddles in the book. He learned about different cultures, history, mathematics, and even philosophy. With each riddle solved, Timmy's knowledge grew, and he developed a deep appreciation for the power of curiosity and persistence. In the end, Timmy realized that the most valuable treasure he found in the mysterious book was not just the solutions to the riddles, but the lessons he learned along the way. He understood that life, like the book, is filled with mysteries and challenges, but with curiosity and persistence, one can conquer them all. From that day forward, Timmy continued to seek knowledge, always remembering the lessons he learned from the mysterious book. He became a beacon of inspiration for the people of Knowledgeville, reminding everyone that curiosity and persistence are the keys to unlocking the doors of wisdom.